Step out of the vehicle, man. $26, $22, $78. Hey, roll down the window. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Dude, I'm not going anywhere. Step out of the car right now. Driver, roll down the window. Hey, can you see anything on his end? Tried to call him out, but he's not coming out. He was eluding me.
Driver, exit the vehicle!
Driver! I know you can hear us. Exit the vehicle. You're not free to go.
Driver, exit the vehicle now!
Driver, exit the vehicle now.
If there's another unit available, can you get someone, please?
Driver, exit the vehicle with your hands up.
$22.83, can you go to 2?
Driver, you are not free to go. Exit the vehicle with your hands up.
Hey, we're trying to call this subject out of his vehicle. He was eluding me and kind of rolled for a little bit. He's refusing. We got West en route. We're still trying to just call him out. Rather call him out than approach him. I mean, we don't really have the offensive loop. He was just avoiding me, and then when I lit him up, he rolled on for a couple blocks, but Tarango does have less lethal. I just would rather call him out, but he's refusing. 1608 East Pecan. Can you keep calling him? Yeah, just keep trying him on the PA.
Driver, inside of the Charger. Exit the vehicle with your hands up. You are not free to go.
Hey, come here. Okay, I don't care. We're on a traffic stop. Y'all get back right now. Get back. Go away. Step back, dude. Come back here. Just walk back. You're not...
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
Okay, walk back. Walk back.
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
2622,
Tell me why you
channel.
stop me. Hey, tell me why you stop me. Tell me
Get
why
back.
You stop me. What's your reason to stop me?
Show us your hands right now. Show us.
What's your reason to stop me?
Listen.
What's your reason to stop me?
Listen.
What's your reason to stop me? What's your reason to
Okay.
stop me? Why did you stop me?
You ran a stop sign.
Why did you fucking stop me?
You ran a stop sign. Chill out, bro.
No, bitch.
Chill out.
Why did you stop me?
Chill out.
Don't. Why did you stop me? Hey, why did you put me over?
We get a couple more units now.
Hey, tell him what's the reason to put me over.
We're 10-4. His family's just
I
trying
wasn't
to approach
speaking
us.
nothing. I wasn't
Hey.
speaking nothing. He was waiting for me to leave breakfast.
Hey,
You fucking waiting on me.
stand up. Walk towards us.
No, you don't shoot. You don't shoot already.
We're not going to shoot you.
Fuck no.
We're not going to shoot you.
Fuck no.
Okay, if he would comply, this would go a lot smoother.
Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? What
Hey,
the fuck?
hey.
What the fuck?
Hey.
Look at the fucking gun you got. What the fuck?
Dude, we just need you to listen to us.
Fuck you.
We need you to stand up. Dude, we need you to stand up and walk back towards our vehicle.
No, fuck no.
Hey, dude, just listen to us. Okay. Hey. Okay. Hey, dude. Hey, dude, just stand up. Stand up, man. Stand up.
Nah, they're gonna fucking shoot me. Put your guns down. Put your guns down.
Hey, dude,
I'm scared.
okay, all we need you to do, hey,
No.
all we need you to do is to stand up. Stand up. We're, hey, hey, dude, Weston, is there anyone else in the vehicle that you can see?
Which vehicle were they driving?
The Charger?
I can't see. I can't tell.
Okay. Okay, hey, all we need him to do is, no,
Hey, ma'am?
we're not leaving.
No.
Okay. Hey, we're on a traffic stop. We just need him to comply so we can talk to him, and then that's it. Okay, we're done. We're done. Hey, man.
Just don't go over there. Don't go
Hey, man. Do not go over there.
Stay where you are. Do not go over there. Don't go over there, sir. Sir. Stay
Do
where
not go over there. Hey, we just need you to walk over here, dude. Stand up, walk over here. Come on, my side, Blanford. Hey, stand up.
Just approach. Let's just approach.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to make sure we got enough units, bro.
Let's go. Come on.
Watch the vehicle.
I got hands. Watch the vehicle.
Granny.
Hands
I just want my granny. I
Okay,
don't want
back
nothing.
up.
Just my granny.
Back up.
Please.
Back up.
Okay, please don't touch her. Y'all, she is 90 years old.
Okay.
Please.
Hey, everyone, back up right now. Back up. We're trying to get him into custody. Back up right now.
didn't even do nothing.
Okay.
You guys didn't even do nothing.
Red truck.
You guys didn't do nothing.
I'm gonna help her up. That way we can get her up, okay?
Well, help me then. Do something. You just fucking sitting there, bro.
My daddy. My daddy. My daddy.
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you up. How are we gonna do
We're
this?
gonna help you up.
I'm trying to help you up.
She can't walk without her phone. Be gentle.
I'm being gentle. I'm holding her up.
Let my child alone. Let my child alone. Let my child alone. Let my child
Hey, get that guy.
He's fucking, he ain't even got nothing on him. Calm down.
Let my child alone.
Okay.
Let my child alone.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I move up and on first. Okay, let's get him up and move on.
Get her on.
I can move, y'all let me. I can move.
Okay.
They wouldn't let me move. I said I can walk, I just didn't want to move. I can move, they let me, bro. But I'm not even resisting.
Okay, let's get in the car.
I didn't run no stop sign. I did not run no stop sign. I didn't get no video. I did not run no stop sign. 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 You got to take some rest. I don't run no stop sign. I'm not running 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 no stop sign. Why you saying I ran a stop sign? Why you saying I ran a stop sign, bro? Why you saying I ran a stop sign? Why you saying I ran a stop sign?